Today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your Dollar General app. So all you have to do, you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down. Then you click here on apps. So then you come to apps list here. And here can you search for uh, Dollar General app, or just go above search, click on it. Then here add the Dollar General. Then you click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on first stop. Then you click here on OK. So then you go down, click here on storage. You come to storage list, click here on clear cache. So then all you have to do, just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here. Then you search for Dollar General. It's going to show for you like this. You will find your update. Just click on it. So then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.